everybody, it's Vince here, and I'm going to show you a very quick and easy recipe for a smashed cucumber salad. This is a simple, quick and easy take on this Chinese salad that I've had before using some Hungryroot ingredients, including the mini cucumbers and the sesame ginger sauce. And then I'm just gonna boost up the flavor a little bit with some green onion, a chili pepper, and some garlic. So I'm just gonna make a small amount because this is better fresh. It's alright if it sits for a little while, but it's best when it's super fresh. So I'm just gonna chop these cucumbers into about 1/2-inch pieces. And then taking the knife, I'm just gonna crush them a little bit. Just so that the sauce can get all over these cucumbers. So I'll put these in the bowl. Perfect. This is so fast. Then I'm just gonna chop up some green onions here. Normally I would make this sauce myself using rice vinegar and soy sauce and ginger and garlic and sesame oil, but I don't have any soy sauce right now, and I don't have any ginger right now. And then I remembered I have Hungryroot sesame ginger in the fridge, so I'm just gonna use that. So I'm gonna add 1 clove of garlic, perfect. And then one of these red hot chili peppers that I got at the Asian market. These are super spicy. Love these. I use these to make chili oil. Perfect. All right, and then the last step is you just go ahead and you take your sesame ginger sauce here. Make sure it's mixed up. I love this sauce from Hungryroot. It has soy sauce and chili pepper and sesame oil and rice vinegar. It's all the things that I would normally put in this cucumber salad anyway, so it's gonna be perfect. Give it a couple of tablespoons here. You just want enough to coat all of the cucumbers. It smells so good. Perfect. And it's that simple. It's ready. So I'm gonna serve this alongside with my salmon and my roasted broccoli tonight. And this is my smashed cucumber salad, Chinese style. It's fresh, it's light, it's got a hint of spice from the sesame ginger, but also from the chili pepper that I added. It's got fresh garlic, and the onion, the scallion is really good. This is gonna be perfect with my salmon. So instead of the broccoli, I decided to make the roasted Brussels sprouts instead. This is why I love Hungryroot so much, because every single one of these ingredients, except for some scallion, some chili pepper, and a little bit of oil, came from Hungryroot. All these ingredients delivered to my door, fresh, tasty, delicious, and so easy. This is the new sweet potato that you can microwave. These are the roasted Brussels sprouts, the My Fish Dish teriyaki salmon, and then I made this cucumber salad like I showed you earlier in the video. So thank you guys for stopping by today, and don't forget that you can get $25 off your first 2 boxes with coupon code 25OFFVINCE. That's a total of $50 off. If you've tried it before and canceled, come back and try it again with 20% off your next 2 boxes using coupon code REACTIVATEVINCE. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you'll give Hungryroot a try, and I'll see you next time.